Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today don't have any makeup on and we are going to do a haul. I recently went to Target, Walgreens, and Kohl's and I picked up some makeup. It is basically, the majority of it is e.l.f. and Wet n Wild, and then I picked up some Academy of Color items that I wanted to try out at Kohl's, but the majority of the stuff is e.l.f. and Wet n Wild because I'm getting ready to do one brand makeup videos on those brands, and I needed to pick up a few things that I was missing. I actually also ordered from Ulta's website. So Ulta, Walgreens, Target, and Kohl's. My favorite places to buy makeup. Aside from, online. But yeah, so let's get on to the haul. If you wanted to see what I got in my goodie bags, then grab a bottle of water, grab a snack, sit back, and keep on watching. Okay, so let's start out with what I purchased at Ulta. Excuse my face, I'm having a bit of a breakout. I don't know what's going on. I haven't had makeup on for a couple of days, so maybe my skin is finally just letting loose. So I'm going to cleanse my face tonight, maybe do a mask, and then back to makeup tomorrow. So let's see. So first, I didn't have very many e.l.f. products like I thought I did, I guess. I don't know. But I did go ahead and pick up, let's start out with our brows. I was looking for their new retractable eyebrow pencil and I couldn't find it. I looked in Walgreens, I looked in Ulta, I looked in Target, I looked in Walmart. I couldn't find it anywhere. So I ended up getting this one, and this is the just their brow pencil in deep brown. I don't know. So it says slim mechanical pencil shapes, defines, and fills in brows for a naturally polished look. It has a spoolie on it, so that's what I like about it. So we're gonna try this one out. And then I got their gel and eyebrow powder kit in the color medium. I've not tried their eyebrow products, so this is gonna be fun. I know back in the day, Kathleen Lights, when she first started her channel, used to use this a lot. So we'll see, gotta buy on a budget. It's a cute little compact. Oh, and it comes with a double-sided brush. And then it's just like that. This is the gel, and this is the powder. Huh, cute. And this was, I think, $3, I want to say. I do have some higher end eyebrow pencils that were sent to me in my Ipsy box and in some sample bags that I bought at Sephora. So those are the ones that I do use. But we're going to try out e.l.f. and see what works. Then next I picked up an eyeliner and shadow stick. And I got it in black and smoke. So, okay, so I guess one side is the liner. Oh, it's a twist up. It's just a regular black liner. Not that bad. It's pretty black. And you can twist it, which I like, back up and down. And then this is the shadow called Smoke. And it's like almost like a silvery kind of color. Ooh, a gray color. I don't know if you can see, it's kind of reflective. It's pretty dark, but it's nice. I like it. Interesting. So we're going to try that one out. For our eyes, the most expensive thing is the eyeshadow palette. I got the Mad for Matte eyeshadow palette in Summer Breeze, which is one of their newer ones, I guess. Maybe. And this is the first time I'm going to be using e.l.f. eyeshadows. I have not bought an eyeshadow palette from e.l.f., which is crazy, but I went ahead and I got this one. And these are really pretty, warm tone colors. I don't know if you can see them, yep. And I love the colors here. Dip in that color, that color, that color. Let me see if I can swatch a couple. I'll swatch the 3 colors that I like. Look at that. That's awesome. I got a blush and bronzing powder, and this is for matte contouring because I already have oily skin and I don't like very much shimmer on my face, so I went with the matte. And this is in the color Fiji. Oh, that's fine. So you have like more like a peachy blush, and then you have a nice cool tone bronzer, which is awesome to contour with. And then it comes with a mirror, which is awesome. I love these mirrors. I bought 2 lip products. I got a lip liner and blending brush and a matte lip color in Nearly Nude. So I got these 2. So that. And then because I purchased that, I actually got a Beautifully Bare gift from e.l.f. and I've not really played around with the Beautifully Bare line. I only have this palette and I actually got an extra one with the gift, so I'm actually going to put that in a giveaway. But this is the one that I have, and it comes with 2 blushes, a highlight, and a bronzer. And this is in the color, it just says Total Face Palette, natural face palette. And I've used this and I really like the blushes. I kind of mix the blushes together and I use the highlight a little bit. The bronzer is a little light, but it's not that bad. It's buildable. So this. And then it came with a Beautifully Bare stippling brush. And then it also came with these 3 items, which are new to me. These are the Beautifully Bare Smooth Matte Eyeshadows. And this is in the color Blushing Rose, and this is in the color Nude Linen. So I'm going to open these up. We are going to swatch the Blushing Rose one. And they're both matte, so I'm just going to do it. My swatches are going to look crazy. Oh, I like that. It's kind of nice. That's the Blushing Rose color. And then this one is the Nude Linen. And they're drying formulas, so you want to work with them really quickly. At least that's what the directions said. And that's like a really nice lid color. It's really pretty. I'm gonna have to play around with these. And then I got this. This is the Beautifully Bare Satin Lipstick in Touch of Berry. And I think the packaging on these are so nice. Let's see, let's swatch. I'm gonna swatch on this side. Oh, it's really sheer and it is very creamy. So it's not bad. Then that's what I got from Ulta. Target, I got the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. This one. Because I have the hydrating one, but I wanted to try this one. So I got that. I bought some lashes. These are the Luxe Lash Kit in Winged and Bold. And they're just so pretty. And I was like, yes, I want to try them. So I got these. And the primer was $6 and the lashes were $4. Then I got the e.l.f. HD powder in sheer. So I got this, and this was $6. So I got that because I needed a pressed powder from e.l.f. and I heard that this one was really good. It's a loose one, so I like it. Actually, 4 more items. I got the e.l.f. Precision Liquid Eyeliner. I don't have a liquid liner from e.l.f., so I was excited to find this one. I was like, ooh, they have a liquid liner. Let's try it out. And then it said on it, because I don't like the felt tip liners, this says it's a tapered brush design. So let's open it up and check it out. Ooh, it is. It's a brush. Yes, we're going to try this out. Let's see. Ooh, I like it. I tried, this one was, I think, $3, if not $4. I tried their dollar one, I think it was. And it was not pigmented. It was like very gray. It was not black. I like this one because it's black. I got a length and volume mascara in black. And I had like their dollar mascara, but it dried out, so let's see. Ooh, I like the wand because it's so short, but the bristles are spaced out so that your lashes can go in them. I don't know if you can see. There you go. I really like that. I can't wait to play with these products. I'm so excited. So that was my little e.l.f. haul. Oh, wait, I actually got 2 more brushes. And those brushes are the e.l.f. Complexion Brush and the Beautifully Bare Blending Brush. And these were recommendations from Kathleen Lights. So that's why I bought them, because you know I love me some Kathleen Lights. So I got those 2. So now on to my Wet n Wild haul. So for Wet n Wild, I picked up in Walgreens because they were having a sale, buy one get one 50% off. And my sister works for Walgreens, so I do get a discount as well. I don't buy all of my makeup there because they don't have a lot of the items that I do use. But I buy some stuff. So I did pick up at Walgreens let's start out. I needed to get the Photo Focus pressed powder. So I got it in neutral beige. Hopefully this is not too light for me. So I got that. I also got, and the only reason I got this is because Kathleen Lights raves about this. She loves Wet n Wild and she's always talking about this powder. So I got this one. Hopefully I got the right color for myself. Then I also got the Wet n Wild mattifying powder because I have really oily skin. So anything that makes my skin a little bit more matte, I'm gonna get. Now I got the Wet n Wild highlight powder in Precious Petals. I had bought this highlight when it first came out, like months and months and months ago. And I didn't think I was gonna like it because it's shimmery. And I was like, and I really wasn't into highlight. I was new to makeup and I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna use that. And I really didn't know what highlight was, so I returned it. But everybody has been raving about these highlights. And specifically, a lot of people have been raving about this color. And I am obsessed with rose gold. And this is like a rose gold type of color. So I went ahead and I bought it. I also bought a blush. This is in Pearlescent Pink. And I believe Kathleen Lights had this as well. I could be wrong, but I bought this because this is like the colors I like to use. So I got that one. And then I did purchase something new that they just launched. And I'm super excited about these. This is the Wet n Wild Retractable Brow Pencil. It's the Ultimate Brow. And it has that triangle tip. And then it has a spoolie on the bottom. So I'm super excited to use that. And then they also launched these new Wet n Wild gel lip liner crayons, and I got them in here they go. I got one in the color Bear to Comment, and the other one is in the color Lay Down the Mauves, because you know I like my berries and my mauve colors, so I got those too. I can't wait to dip into those. I'm not gonna swatch those just because this is gonna be like 18,000 million years long. I did get an eyeliner from them, the Mega Last Wet n Wild liner. It's a retractable eyeliner, and this is in Black is Black. So I didn't have any Wet n Wild eyeliners. I don't know. I thought I had way more Wet n Wild and e.l.f. products, and I really didn't. So got that. Then I went ahead and I got this. That's actually what I purchased from Walgreens. Now on to Target, because they didn't have a couple things in Walgreens. I went to Target and I picked up this. Actually, I got these at Target because I forgot to pick them up at Walgreens, and I was already at Target, and I was like, you know what? I'll go ahead and buy it there. So I got this eyeshadow quad, and this is in Sweet as Candy, because I wanted to try out these new quads that they came out with. Before, they used to have trios, but now they're quads, so I wanted to try this out. And then I went in ahead and I got another blush. This is called Princess Daiquiris, and it's like an ombre blush. So it's like a peachy, pinky, paley kind of color. So I got that. Then I got the Photo Focus Matte Primer, the face primer. So I got that. And then I got 2 lipsticks. I got, where are you? These are just Wet n Wild creamless. They're cream lipsticks, and this is in the color Mauve Outta Here. And then this one is in Bare It All. So I got these 2, which are like my 2 go-to colors. I do have my favorite so far of their lipsticks that I have is their Mega Lost Liquid Catsuit, and I do have like 6 or 7 that I purchased at Ulta a few months ago that I want to try out as well. This one is in the color Pink Really Hard. I love their names. So I have this and a few more that I want to try out. I also have some that I picked up in a Target haul around Christmas time. I have this one. This is just a red one. This is the Red Velvet, and that's a satin one. And then this one is a ombre lip wand, and this is in the color Sisters and Charms, and it has like first step, second step, and I haven't tried it yet. It's still closed, so I have options to try. Yeah, so that completes my Wet n Wild and e.l.f. haul. Now for Kohl's. So at Kohl's for spring, they just launched Academy of Color, which if you guys don't know, I use Academy of Color eyeshadow palettes. I have almost all the colors that I can think of that come out. But they did come out with this new eyeshadow palette. This is the cranberry one. And look at these pretty, pretty colors. Like, I just love it. Like, this color right here is beautiful. It's called Quartz Honeymoon. You got Bliss. Rose Dust is gorgeous. Got that blush color. Oh, love it. Love it. So I'm excited to play with this. These are like my go-to colors. I freaking love pinks and purples and mauves. So I had to pick this one up. Then this is new. I found this. This is a blush and highlight palette. I had not seen this before, so I had to pick it up. And it looks like this. And it has a bronzer, which is in the color Rise, 2 blushes, and this is in Ambition and Spotlight, and then 1 highlight, and this is called Reflect. And I'm digging this highlight. It's rose goldy kind of color. Oh my god, I can't wait to try it. I'm excited. And then I picked up 2 of their lip kits. And I didn't realize when I picked them up that one is a gloss and one is a matte liquid lip. So this is the matte liquid lip, and it comes with a lip liner. This is in the color Crush. So I got that. And then this one is the High Pigment Liquid Gloss and Lip Liner. And this is their glossy lip kit, and this is in the color Girl Talk. I'm excited to try these formulas out, and I believe that completes this video. So if you enjoyed watching me show you what I hauled at Kohl's, Walgreens, Target, and Ulta, then please like this video and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Please hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every time I upload videos, which is on Mondays and Thursdays and sometimes on Saturdays if the week permits me. You know, mommy of 5. Gotta figure it out. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. So, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you, beauties, in my next video. Bye!